So welcome back. Uh, so now in tomorrow's class we will study with what is the need for integration of the technological products related to innovation in our product development. So that will throw some more important light on why there is a need for innovation embeddance in the technology transfer, whether it is an existing product or a new product development. So all those things we'll be studying in the next class. So if I start up, it will be again interrupted in between. So tomorrow morning I will start up with this. So now currently everyone type your USN number and name in the chat room. If you have any doubts, you're free to ask. User number and name. All of you please type it in the chat room. Yeah, please now speak on what are the problems you're dealing with, or have you done with the assignments, anything still pending part? Kindly let me know because I can see few assignments in related to the case study in PDM. Some have submitted the assignment 1. So remaining thing is approaching with the due date of 6th and 9th April, hopefully I feel. So please stick on to the assignments and submit, or else it will really make you get reduced marks for your assignments. Once the due date is crossed, the marks will be reduced slightly. Be careful and submit. You have plenty of time to write the assignments. Please do submit at a quicker rate. So now you speak up. Any problem you have related to understanding the concepts? Yeah, Preeta, you're here. Others?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why the assignments are not back to my Google Classroom then?
Tomorrow, ma'am. Tomorrow.
Why not today? Madhusudan,
Ma'am, because of Friday, ma'am.
because of Friday. Friday afternoon you're free only, no? Hello. Okay, everyone see that by tomorrow without fail you will submit all the assignments with respect to the due dates what you are lagging. Okay. If anyone have not typed the USN number still now, kindly type it up. All have typed. Please type. I cannot see all the names here. Please type it, everyone. And if you find any difficulty in understanding, you're free to mail me, message me, call me. And if you're not getting any materials, try to gather it. I have shared almost all the materials what I am having with me. So after completion, I have shared the PPT of third module also. So once I complete with the fourth module, I do share the PPT of fourth module. But also this provides you a good informative related to the entire content of your syllabus. But for explanation in depth, please go on to the prescribed books along with the PPTs what I have shared and with good examples as a case study. So that will help you in obtaining and better results for your examination. Okay, anything else you are free to speak. All have written your names. Anyone else who haven't written? If it is done, then I will end the meeting for today. If anyone who haven't written the USN number, kindly tap it. So the last student name is Vignesh. Anyone else who haven't done? Okay, then see you all tomorrow morning in the class 9:30 where we speak about the innovation, integration into and product development with the forecasting techniques. So until then, have a safe day. Okay, study well, do well, and take care of your families. Hope to see you at early in the college, hopefully by 14th or 15th of April. Okay, bye bye then.
Thank you.
Take care. Yeah, bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye bye.